This is the latest radio from 1933. It's a Philco 89. I got a few months back at a radio auction. This particular model is known as the Philco From Hell because it's plagued with lots of problems. And of course, I was the only one who didn't know that when I was bidding on it. That's why I got it so cheap. It's all, looks like the finish is all original. Big giant hole in the front, that's fixable. Sides look good, back, all the wiring has all the tubes. This is kind of a mess. That'll start your house on fire. But I got schematics, I got videos, and this should be a challenge. Hopefully we get this thing playing again. I'm in no rush, so if it takes a year to get working, then it'll take a year. But this is like the gold standard radio. You think of Philco Cathedral, people think it's classic radios. So 1933 and 89.